Lesson 7.11. Number 6. 20 factors the quadratic x squared minus 7x plus 12 by listing all the numbers that add to negative 7. Then he finds a pair that multiplies to 12. Sasha has another way. She looks at all the numbers that multiply to 12, then she finds a pair that adds to negative 7. Which quadratic expressions are easier to factor with Sasha's method, with Tony's method? Explain. So sometimes it's easier to find the list of multiplication. So the Tony looked at the sum first. So made a list of the number that you can get negative 7. So for example, 0, negative 7, negative 1, negative 6, negative 2, negative 5, and so on and so forth. And you can go 1 and negative 8, and so on and so forth. So he looked at that first, but the Sasha looked at 12 first, for example. So 1, 12, and 2, 6, 3, 4, and 4, 3, and so on and so forth. Both are right, but sometimes it's easier to look at, it's quicker to look at the sum first in order to get the right answer. And sometimes it is better to look at the sum product first so that you can do it quicker. So each case you have A, B, C, D, E, F. Each case, which one should be better and why? Number 7, factor each quadratic expression over Z. That means you can factor it with the over integers. If the expression is not factorable, explain why. So here you use the sum product way. So you look for two numbers that adds to 6 and multiply to 5. In this case it's 1 and 5, so you put that in parentheses. And that's what you do for A. Number 9, write about it. Suppose you know that the factorization of x squared plus 30x plus 216. Does knowing that factorization help you to find the factorization of each expression given? Explain. Okay. So if you know how to factor x squared plus 30x plus 216, is it easier? Is it helpful to factor A and B, and why? As you know, the sign changes, so that's the things that you want to look at. Problem number 10. What are the integer solutions of x squared minus 7x equals 120? Okay, first of all, you have to have 0 on the right side. But in this case, we have 120. We want to have 0 because we want to use zero product property. So subtract 120 from both sides. Then you have x squared minus 7x minus 120 equals 0. Then now what you want to do is you want to look for the number that adds up to negative 7 and negative 120. Number 12, use a multiplication table. Draw a line of factors that add to 9. There are two numbers that add up to 9 with a product that is more than 20. Explain. So look at the multiplication table, or if you don't have one with you, you can always find it, right? You can always make it. 0, 0, 1. What will be 1 times 1? So you have 1, 2, 3, right? 4. I'm just going to make the small one. That's 3 and 4. And this is going to be 2 times 1, so it's 2. 2 times 2, 2 times 3, 2 times 4. 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 3 times 3, 3 times 4, and so on and so forth. And are there two numbers that add up to 9 with the product that is more than 20? And explain. Two numbers add to 13. What is their greatest possible product? I actually have an appointment right now, so I gotta run. But good luck.